Are you worried about losing your strength and independence as you age? You're not alone. Muscle loss is a hidden threat facing millions of seniors every year. Today, we're discussing a topic that's incredibly important for maintaining strength, vitality, and independence as we age: muscle loss. Specifically, we're going to talk about how to fight back against age-related muscle loss with the power of food. I'm going to share 4 powerful food groups that are backed by scientific research to help seniors preserve and even rebuild muscle. Kindly let me know where you are watching us from today, and feel free to drop your questions and concerns. The first one is about muscle building. Does protein? Our muscles are always breaking down and rebuilding, and protein provides the building blocks, amino acids, for this process. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at using protein, so it's even more important to get enough. Think of protein as the mortar that keeps your muscle brick wall strong. Focus on lean meats, fish, eggs, and plant-based proteins like beans and lentils. Prioritizing protein is one of the best ways to fight muscle loss as we age. Let's talk about dairy as the second one. Dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese are packed with protein and are excellent sources of calcium. As we age, our bones get thinner, raising the risk of osteoporosis. Calcium helps keep bones strong and supports muscle function. Muscles need calcium to contract properly, so getting enough is key for strength and energy. If you avoid dairy, try calcium-fortified plant milks or tofu. Just check the label to be sure. Now let's move on to a type of food that's often hailed as a nutritional powerhouse: omega-3 fatty acids. You might have heard about omega-3s in relation to heart health and brain function, but did you know they're also incredibly beneficial for our muscles? Here's the thing. As we age, our bodies naturally experience more inflammation. It's like a low-grade fire simmering inside us, and over time, that inflammation can damage our cells and tissues, including our muscles. Omega-3 fatty acids have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. They act like firefighters, helping to put out that inflammatory fire and protect our muscles from damage. So where can we find these muscle-saving fats? Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, tuna, and sardines are some of the best sources of omega-3s. Aim to include these in your diet at least twice a week. If you're not a fan of fish, you can also find omega-3s in plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. You can easily incorporate these into your diet by sprinkling them on salads, yogurt, or smoothies. Last but not least, let's talk about legumes. This group includes beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas, and they are truly nutritional superstars, especially when it comes to muscle health in seniors. First and foremost, legumes are an excellent source of plant-based protein. We already talked about how important protein is for muscle building and repair, and legumes provide a fantastic alternative to animal products, especially if you're following a vegetarian or vegan diet. But that's not all. Legumes are also packed with fiber, which is essential for digestive health and can also help regulate blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar levels are crucial for maintaining energy levels throughout the day, which can make it easier to stay active and keep your muscles moving. And here's another bonus. Legumes are also good sources of important minerals like potassium and magnesium. These minerals play a vital role in muscle function and can help prevent muscle cramps, which can be a common issue as we get older. So, how can you incorporate more legumes into your diet? The possibilities are endless. Add beans to soups, stews, and salads. Toss lentils into pasta dishes, or enjoy hummus, made from chickpeas, as a dip for veggies. However, remember that everyone is different, and what works best for one person may not be the best approach for another. It's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian, before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. They can help you create a personalized plan that meets your individual needs. Thanks for joining me today. Are you drinking water correctly? Check out our video about mistakes seniors make when drinking water. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos about living a healthier and happier life.